is an organization which has a constitution. This constitution was written by us. And it was adopted first in 2000 at our first Congress in Chamisa. Then it was adopted again in 2006 at the National Sports Stadium. And then it was adopted again in 2011 in Baba Fields and in 2014 at the National Sports Stadium. This constitution tells us what to do and not what to do. And what the Supreme Court simply did was that it said go back and do what was supposed to be done after the demise of our late President, Dr. Morgan Richard Tsvangirai. Article 9.21.1 clearly states that after the death of the President, the Deputy President assumes the position of acting President for a period not exceeding 12 months and then calls for an extraordinary Congress. Unfortunately, this was not done. So what the Supreme Court simply did was that it said, what happened in Bulawayo at the Stanley Square in April and what happened in Gweru in May, was it 2019, is null and void. So both groups must go back and do what the Constitution says they must do. And this is what the simple did. So I have been reinstated as the acting president of MDC-T. MDC-T has got 103 MPs in Parliament, meaning that I am currently the leader of that political party, which has 103 MPs in that Parliament. It has happened in other countries. I would like to give an example of South Africa. Musa Maimane was the leader of DA, and currently he is no longer the leader of DA. There is a new leader in that parliament who is now the leader of those MPs who are there right now. And currently I am the leader of MDC-T with the 103 MPs. So the issue of 2 MPs or whatever MPs does not arise, because we are doing exactly what the Supreme Court has asked us to do, and already we are preparing for the extraordinary Congress. We are busy right now and want to make sure that it becomes a success where we are going to fill the position left by our leader, Dr. Morgan Richard Tsvangirai.
Okay. I'm not your follow-up. Who else has a follow-up? I'm not your follow-up. Please, it must be follow-ups, not new questions, so that we can go to the second round. Is there a follow-up? No, not yet. Okay, let me just do follow-ups and then we'll check the new questions. Yes, I'll start with you.
My follow-up question will be regarding 2 MPs who were elected. I'm referring to Honorable Priscilla Mr. being the other senator.